Meet Phoebe, the 11-month-old female lab. Phoebe is an extremely sweet and energetic girl, but didn't seem to know any of her obedience commands. In addition, she had a bad habit of jumping, as we can see in the video, pulling on the leash, nipping, stealing food and other objects, as well as running out of the door. All of these issues combined are why her owner decided it was best to send her out for a 2-week board and train program. During her 2 weeks with me, I'll be working extensively on Phoebe's obedience, continuing to build her confidence, giving her a proper mental and physical outlet for all of her energy, as well as addressing her nipping and other issues she's having at home. This video will cover the progress she makes with me, so watch until the end to see her complete turnaround.